Hey guys, we're back with another video, and today I'm gonna be unboxing cat toys. Okay, let's see what's in this one. Yeah, that was totally random, I'm sorry. But really, what is in it? You know, I can't really cut while holding the camera. These scissors do not work as I thought, as much as I thought. Let's go. Now spray these dudes. Spray these dudes out of the bag. Oh my gosh! This one looks like Blue Star. Definitely 100%. Yes, queen. Kitty cat. Oh my gosh. I am obsessed. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. I love this one the most. Also, this one is like, has big eyes, but he's really cute. Look at that. He's so cute. Oh, this one looks like, I think it's a Siamese cat, but instead it doesn't have the stripes on it. Oh, I like this dude. This guy. He's so fluffy. He's like this one. These two are twins. These two are twins. These two aren't, and I'm obsessed. All the ones that are laying down are not twins. But they look alike. Because this one's fluffy, and that one looks like that one. So, yeah. These two are twins. These two are twins. These are the only ones that are twins. And the same ones are in this package. Let me just see if I can open them with my bare hands. Oh my gosh. Who knew plastic could be so hard? Honestly, like almost everybody. Like baggage there. And these are the same ones, I think. I love, like, this one's my favorite. This one, if I could name it, it would definitely be Sandstar. Or like, probably. I don't know. Well, let's play with these dudes. Okay. We're gonna need a Firestar. I don't know, I guess this could be Firestar. / Rusty. This is definitely Blue Star. This is definitely Spotted Leaf. I mean, do you literally not think this would be Spotted Leaf? Of course it's Spotted Leaf. Of course. Like, yes, queen. Yes. China, made in China. You can't really see it because it's blue. Because this phone. Yeah, I don't know what to say. This, who's that? This would be White Storm, maybe. Who would these four be? The rest of these we don't need because they're all twins. I'm gonna go get my Into the Wild book. Okay. Oh no, this pen. This is from the library. Whatever. I have a bunch of bent books. Let's some of them don't. Okay, Into the Wild. Wait a second. Maybe this could be. Maybe this could be like mouse fur. This? No. I'm gonna pretend this is mouse fur. I'm gonna pretend this. Yeah? Yeah?
Oh, never mind, honey.
Oh, okay. So this is mouse fur. I don't know who these four are. Okay. So I'm trying to find one that's like tortoise shell, like this. This is not really tortoise shell. This looks like more like a tortoise shell. It has a very small muzzle. Yeah, this is definitely like a tortoise shell. So I'm gonna look for something. Okay. No. Oh! This is... Which one should be lion fur? This one should be lion fur. Who are these two gonna be? There's a really small plant that I'm gonna add some new people. Yes! Okay, there's 5 apprentices. Okay. These should be the 5 apprentices. Yes, queen. 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 Oh my gosh. Okay, these are going to be kits. Yes, queen. Yes, queen. Yes, queen. Yes, queen. Yes, queen. This could be the rest. Okay. So this is Dust Paw. This is Gray Paw. This is Raven Paw. And this is gonna turn into Fire Paw. And this is Sand Paw. Boom. I don't know who these are gonna be. So this is Lionheart. This is Mouse Fur. This is Spotted Leaf. This one's my favorite. This is White Storm. This is Blue Star. And this is going to be, actually, since right now this isn't Lionheart, this is going to be Red Tail. This is going to be Tiger Claw. And I don't know who that's going to be. This is going to be Running Wind. This is Running Wind. Okay, so I know there. I'm gonna find someone who can be Lionheart and the rest of his members. Okay, this is King. Also, don't ask why I keep saying yes, queen, yes, queen, yes, queen, yes, queen. Okay. Dust Paw, Raven Paw, Gray Paw, Fire Paw, Sand Paw. Boom. Kits that I don't know the names of. Okay, time to look in kits. Kits. Okay. All right. That's gonna be it. Okay, so these. What am I? Where? Oh, these are River Clan warriors, but the main one, which is Oakheart, is going to be this one. This is Oakheart and the rest of his members, and this is Thunder Clan, and this is just going to be Shadow Clan. They have no kits, and I only need one person for Tall Star. So, I mean, I guess I could use this. Even though it's a fox. Because Tall Star got driven. Tall Star and his members got driven out of the forest. So that's Tall Star. Shadow Clan. River Clan. Thunder Clan. And its apprentices. And its kids. Yeah, that's all. What? Okay. Start. So we're gonna start like the beginning of okay. I forget something. Oh wait, this is tactical. But running wind, spotted leaf, and blue star are staying back. Actually, white storm is staying back too. Wait, no. Also, by the way, I'm not trying to do this for copyright. I'm trying to do this like the start of the movie. So, please don't copyright me for this because I'm just trying to make it fun for everybody. Oh, cart. How dare you? How dare you, ThunderClans? Oh my god, ThunderClans. I'm so sorry. Oh my god, Hunder. How dare you hunt in ThunderClan's territory? These hunting grounds belong to ThunderClan. Also, plus, I forget some of the words that they say in the beginning because I'm only on page 10 and I've never really read the whole book. But I'm obsessed. I've read all the graphic novels of Tiger Stripe Sasha, and I'm currently reading 4 books, so it's very stressful. But I'm getting used to it, and I'm already really experienced in it. You and your clan will not defeat River Clan ever. I'm gonna switch these for this one because this one's a big baby. Run, mouse fur, run! Tiger Claw. There are too many of them. ThunderClan cannot handle this. We must end this. Blue Star would not approve of this battle. The losing battle we tried. But the battle is not lost. We could still make it. ThunderClan cannot be beaten. Do you think that Blue Star would approve of this? Do you think she would be proud of this? Do you think she would be proud that we lost? Or do you think she would be proud that we hurt her members? Okay. Hold on, I'm trying to look for something. Okay, this will work. Retreat, ThunderClan! Retreat! Hi, Mom.
Do you like my tropical vibe?
Yeah.
Look at it. Got tropical flowers.
Cool.
Where's my friend Chapong?
He's in my bed.
Hi, Gary.
I'm doing a YouTube video.
Oh, that's fun. That's nice. With your guys?
Yeah.
Fun times. Your hair smells like shampoo.
Mhm.
That's nice. See you later.
See ya.
What?
Is Mousefur doing okay? Yes. She's fine. She's a young warrior. And she's strong. She can survive. And the others? They're also doing well. They're good and healthy. But their wounds, they still need to heal of their hurt. But I healed them with my herb poultice. And they're healing. So everything's okay. About tonight, the defeat of ThunderClan. Just shocked and tantalized. ThunderClan has never been beaten in its own territory. If we cannot survive the war, then kits are coming. Kits are coming more, and we need more warriors to survive. The apprentices, they're learning, they're hunting, and they're strong. It's a message from ThunderClan. It's a message from StarClan. It must be a message. What does it mean? I don't know. I think it's trying to say there's only one solution that can figure this out. There's only one solution. I know what it's trying to tell me. I know what it's trying to tell us. And fire will save the clans. But that can't be true. Fire has been feared by other clans for who knows how many moons. Tell that to StarClan. Well, StarClan never lies. Wait a sec. I need to see something for a second. Because I'm confused. I'm trying to see, like, where is Swift Paw? Wow. Whoops. Almost dropped the camera. Oh, hi, Rusty. Oh, hi, Smudge. I just wondered. I wanted to ask you one question. And what is that? Well, you see, I just wanted to ask you, do you know what it's out like there in the forest? Oh, yeah, definitely. What is it like? Oh, it's like bad. Smudge. Well, I'm giving you a point. When Henry went out there, oh, that was the first time he caught a bird. But he did not like it out there. Henry? Oh, are you kidding? That fat old tabby can't do nothing than catch a bird. He always just sits and he only eats, sleeps, and just sits in the garden. No, not before the vet. No, I'm talking about after the vet. Oh, well, before the vet, he caught a bird. Yeah, well, now he says he's terrible. He doesn't like birds because they're not as good as because they're hard to catch. I just want to know what it's like. Well, all I could say is it's horrible. Huh? What's the noise? What? If I keep running, he'll just keep following me. I have to fight back. Whoever you are, just come out now. Hello? Huh? What's a kitty pet like you doing out here? in the woods. Kitty pet? Yeah, you're a kitty pet. You mean what's a cat like you doing out here? Shouldn't you be in a den? Or shouldn't you be like at home in a cozy bed? No way! Sleep in a kitty pet house with the 2 legs? No way! 2 legs, like, kitty pets eat mush and, like, poop in a box, like, litter in a box, and also they sleep in the most uncomfortable bed. And they sleep in the most uncomfortable nest ever. I wouldn't want to go anywhere. I'd rather sleep in the rogue barn than go in a kitty pet than sleep in a 2-leg nest. Wow. Okay, that's it for today because my dinner's gonna be ready soon, and I'm having like my favorite food ever. So I'm gonna go now. I might make a part 2. I'll think about it. Bye.